Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. See students, today we are going to learn about eclipse. Do you know students, eclipse means what? Eclipse means Grahan. Yes? So there are two types of eclipse students. One is solar eclipse, that is also called Surya Grahan, and second one lunar eclipse, it is also called Chandra Grahan. So these are the two kinds of eclipse which we are going to learn. So we will see what happens actually during this eclipse. Okay. So we will see the about eclipse, Earth and Moon. Okay. In our solar system, we know the sun is there, Earth is there. Okay. So Earth revolves around the sun as well as Moon revolves around the Earth. So this is one natural phenomena. Okay. So the Earth and the Moon are opaque objects and light cannot pass through them. Actually students, what is meant by opaque object? So actually students, opaque object means an object through which light cannot pass. For example, I am here students. Okay. Now I am one object. This projector light is flashing on my body, but my body is not allowing light to pass through it. Okay. That is why whatever the light falls on my body, that light stop here only, and due to that my body's shadow form behind my body or behind me. You can see my shadow as you can see in the here. So you see here the shadow formed by my hand. Okay. Even the shadow formed by this marker as you can see. So this shadow is formed because this object is opaque. If you keep your object in a transparent, so what happens students? You cannot get the dark shadow. So this is the effect of opaque object. Means those objects cannot pass, or those objects through which light cannot pass. So light cannot pass. That is why these objects form the shadow. So same here, Earth and Moon, these are the two objects. Okay, and both objects are the opaque. Okay, means you can write here object through which light does not pass. Okay, so these are the two objects through which light cannot pass. It means that surely after flashing light on these objects, so whatever the back side of this object is there, so their shadow always form, or that black or the back side part become completely dark. Okay. Next one, both receives the light from the sun. Now these both, okay, Moon and Earth, both they receive the light from the sun. When sunlight falls on, they cast shadows. Shadows means sauli. Keep in student mind. When the sunlight falls on these two objects like Moon or Earth, so these objects cast the shadows. Means the shadow form behind these objects. Okay. The Earth and Moon both are revolving. Already I said, when the Earth, the Moon and the Sun form in a straight line. Okay. When the Earth, Moon and Sun. Okay, this is Sun, this is Earth you can consider, and this is Moon. So when Sun, Earth and Moon comes in a straight line, so come in a straight line or from a straight line, the one which is middle receives the sunlight, whereas the other which is behind does not or may partly or completely receive the sunlight. Now see here, this is the sun. When sun, now between the sun and moon, okay. Now see students, between the sun and moon there is an earth. So whatever sunlight is there, so that sunlight falls on the earth. And already we learned that the earth is an opaque object. So this earth will not pass the light of the sun behind it. So whatever the light is there, so that light stop here only, and earth forms shadow, and whatever shadow is there, so that shadow or the black shadow form on the moon, and that is why moon is invisible. Okay. The one is the middle cast of shadow on which behind is. So this is called the eclipse. So this stage or this stage is called as an eclipse. Now we will learn the two types of eclipse, students. Okay, is it clear, students? This what is the eclipse? So when the sun, moon, earth, or sun, earth, moon come in a straight line. Okay, so at that time form eclipse. Okay, so in detail we will see now what is the mean by solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So first we are going to learn about the lunar eclipse, means Chandra Grahan, students. Okay, so this is the picture of an lunar eclipse. Now you see in this lunar eclipse what happens, students. Now see here, when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon is not able to receive the sunlight. Now see, this is the case of lunar eclipse, students, Chandra Grahan. Now in this case what happens, between the sun and moon earth comes. Okay, between the sun and moon earth comes, and moon is not able to receive the light of the sun. Why moon is not able to receive? Means here the sunlight will not fall. Why? Or moon is unable to receive the sunlight of sun, because there is one object. Okay, there is one object present between these two, and what is that? So that is the earth. So when earth comes between the sun and moon, at that time moon does not get the sunlight, or moon is not able to receive the sunlight, and earth casts a shadow on the moon. So at that time this moon does not get the or receive the sunlight from the sun, because whatever sunlight is there, that sunlight falls on the earth, and whatever the sunlight falls on the earth, after that the sunlight blocks here only, because earth is an opaque object, and due to that whatever the back side is there of earth, that back side of earth forms the shadow or casts the shadow, and that shadow falls on the moon. Due to that moon is invisible, means we cannot see. Okay, those people are here. So you can see here there are two types of cast. Okay, there are two kinds of shadows, we can say. Sorry, there are two kinds of shadows. One is dark shadow and one is lighter shadow. Okay, so dark shadow is called umbra. Okay, as you can see here, dark shadow. Okay, so wherever dark shadow is formed, so this region is called the dark region of shadow. So here this region is called umbra, and light shadow is called penumbra. Okay, there are two kinds of shadows formed by the sun. Okay, you can see here, due to the blockage of the earth. So one is the completely dark shadow, that is called the umbra, and second one light shadow, that is called the penumbra. Okay, when the some part of, now see here, now this is completely in dark part. Here you can see the moon is completely in dark part, so we cannot see here moon. But if the moon present some part in penumbra and some part in umbra, so whatever the part is there in umbra, so that is invisible, but this part is slightly visible. Okay, so this is called as the lunar eclipse. Just keep in mind, students, what is meant by lunar eclipse? When earth comes between the sun and moon, due to that moon is not not able to receive the sunlight and the sunlight and the earth cast the shadow on the moon. Okay students, just you keep in mind these things, sun and moon, and between these sun and moon earth comes. So this type of situation is called lunar eclipse. Okay students, in next video we are going to see solar eclipse, and then we will see what is the difference between lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Okay students, so today you can do practice of this lunar eclipse figure. Okay, so with the help of pencil you can draw this diagram and prepare the lunar eclipse. Okay students.